Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's products are available online. I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? If you are in the market and you're looking to get a new cordless vacuum cleaner, or maybe replace your vacuum cleaner because it's just not providing a great suction, I have the perfect product for you. So I'm going to compare here the UWANT V500 vacuum cleaner versus the LG cordless vacuum cleaner here that has its dustbin collection. So both of these vacuum cleaners are cordless vacuum cleaners. They're very easy to carry around. They're very lightweight. So if you have stairs, you can easily carry them up and down. Now, both of the base stations do automatically empty the canisters, which is a nice little feature because you no longer have to worry about opening the canister and getting that cloud of dust as you're trying to remove all the debris. They will simply go ahead when you put them back, they will suck out the debris and put them in the various bags. The bags themselves, they can hold about 1.8 liters. They're pretty comparable as far as the sizes. The LG one is more of a square shape as far as utilizing it, and then the UWANT, because of its more slender compact size, is more of a long, slender shape here. But like I said, they both hold very, very well when putting them in. Now, as far as sound quality when emptying them, they're both also pretty standard as far as the sound, and they work very, very well. So first off, let's go ahead and cover the base stations, or the overall aesthetics, I should say, of these two, because depending on where you have your vacuum cleaners stored, this may help you make your decision. So right off the bat, the UWANT itself is very, very slender. It doesn't have a big footprint, which is really, really nice. The vacuum cleaner sits right here on the front. On the side is the dustbin, easy to access, easy to remove. And then you're gonna have your two tool storages in the round base at the bottom. It plugs in on the back, and as soon as you dock it, it goes ahead and empties for you. Now, the LG is a little bit bigger and bulkier when it comes to the width of it. It sticks out a little bit further and it's a little bit wider. It's just a few inches shorter, but as you can see, you don't see any of the various accessories except for the side mop, which is a separate component that you can get. And the reason that is because you'll notice the tools are tucked in on the side. So you'll have the two adapter tools tucked in the side, and then you're gonna have the door to access basically the waste bin itself. On the other side, it does come with another spare tool, which is a wider kind of vacuum head for a couch. So you do get a spare extra tool when utilizing this. But both of these vacuum cleaners are gonna come with your standard wand, which is great for getting into crevasses between your couches and things like that. And then they're both gonna come with your standard brush attachment, which is great for getting drapes, getting larger surfaces, rugs, etc. And then you have the protection brush as well. So when it comes to the aesthetics of these, to me, it's basically a decision if you have this somewhere where it's gonna be seen. This one's a little bit cleaner. However, the UWANT is a lot more compact, and most of us keep our vacuum cleaners either in a closet, utility room, or a garage. So the aesthetics is not necessarily as big of an aspect of it. Now let's talk about the vacuum cleaners themselves. So both of them are very light and very easy to carry around and utilize for multiple rooms. Very comfortable to hold as far as the handle. So the UWANT here, easy to hold. You got your push buttons right here on the front. The canister sits here in the back side. You do have a single long arm, which can be removed if you want to put it in handheld mode. And then you're going to have your cleaning mechanism on the bottom. The only complaint with the UWANT is the middle part is not adjustable. So now the LG one is adjustable. So depending on your height, this is more for an average height. I will say it is very comfortable for me to hold, which is I'm around 6 foot tall. The LG, it's a little bit smaller, but it has the adjustable aspect. So if you're a little bit shorter, this is kind of nice, but I always have it on the longer extension, kind of like this setup itself. Once again, the LG, the controls are right here on the back, and then you have your standard little arm here. Once again, these can be removed, so it's easy to take into your car if you're wanting to do any cleaning or setups along that line. Now, as far as the bottom aspect of it, This is got, both of them will have the little nice V-shape. The V-shape is important because it helps with the tangling of hair, makes it a little bit easier to suck up that debris. Both of these can be removed, so that way it's easy to clean up in case you do get any nice little tangles. Now I will say the UWANT has a nice little feature here on the front of the device. It has a green little LED light, which is gonna help you light up the dust and the debris that is underneath furniture, making sure you're catching everything because it'll stand out more versus my CordZero doesn't have any light. There's also a nice little felt pad in the front, so as you're going in and you're hitting those baseboards, you're not gonna scratch them or anything like that. So it gives a little bit more protection, not only for your vacuum cleaner, but for your baseboards themselves. Now, as far as battery life, so both of these have a pretty nice battery as far as operating them, because they do have 3 operations. You have a kind of more low mode or eco mode, your standard mode, which is what I typically use, and then your turbo mode. So the turbo mode is when you got to pick up any big heavy debris, but it really chews through that battery. Now, if you're using it pretty much in standard mode, you're gonna get about 60 minutes out of the battery. Both of them come with a battery. The CordZero did come with a spare battery, but I'll be honest with you, I have actually never used this. I have a 1,800 square foot home, and I've never had to put in the spare battery because I can easily vacuum my whole house on the standard mode with plenty of options to spare with both of these. So not sure the spare battery is actually needed for at least my personal setup. But as far as using both of these vacuum cleaners, like I said, they're very, very easy to hold. They have plenty of suction options, and most importantly, they both can easily empty themselves into the bins. So let's talk about the bin emptying setup. As soon as you plug either one of these straight into their docking station, they will go ahead and automatically empty for you. Both of them do have a manual override. So for the UWANT, simply going to hold down the little kind of mode button, which is the one that kind of looks like a sun, and you're gonna see a light blink here, and that's gonna basically turn that feature on and off if you so choose. I never really turn the feature off. The only time you may wanna do that is if you're wanting to dock it and you don't want to listen to the noise, maybe you have a baby sleeping or something like that, then I could see it. As far as the LG, the controls are right here on the top. They're a little bit easier to use because it's simply a button to press versus holding down a button and waiting to command. But the fact that you can turn off both of them works great. Now, as far as suctioning out, the UWANT has a really, really cool feature. There is a mechanism that raises and lowers as it is sucking. That is making sure all that debris gets out of the vacuum cleaner and into the dust bin. Works very well. The LG has something similar, but it is a manual kind of push-pull button. So you have to manually do this if you wish. And the whole concept is if you have a lot of hair and dust, you can compress it and give you more room in that cylinder, so that way you can continue to vacuum. Now, I just like the fact that this does it automatically, so it means your cylinder's absolutely clean when you are utilizing it, because obviously you want to keep your vacuum cleaner as clean as possible so it maintains that suction. I do recommend, no matter which one you get, that you basically do a deep clean twice a year and go ahead and pull out the suction component. Just make sure, rinse it off, make sure all the dust is out of it, let it air dry. Once it's all nice and dry, put it back to go, and you're gonna be great to go as far as your suction. But either one of these vacuum cleaners are really, really nice. The big thing with the UWANT that I really, really like as of it is the cleaning system is very easy and seems to do a really great job. It's a very nice, compact, slender setup here. And as far as the price point, it is very, very economical compared to the premium name brand LG version. The LG version, what is nice about it is it does have a nicer, cleaner exterior look with those extra kind of utensils itself. But if you're not having this display prominently, that may not be as big of a deal. The other aspect I like it does have that adjustable wand, so you can adjust it as far as height. But if you are in the market and you're looking for a great vacuum cleaner, I think you'll be happy with either one of these, so they're totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.